Hey kids, so last time I spoke to you, we had our pirate ship, our pioneer ship, sorry, uh, coming towards our pirate ship like this. And what we need to do is make sure that it is picking anywhere on this Y line, because at the moment it's going from X as an X left to right. What we wanted to do is we wanted to go up or down, down across here. We need to go and make sure that you can choose a random space. And we're going to do 2 blocks with this, okay? The 2 blocks we need are my sprites and we need some math. Okay, so let's go to my sprites. And we're going to go to set my sprite to be on the Y. So we're going to change this like this. I can get rid of this one now. I don't need that anymore. And oh, the black triangle's back again. Boo. And so let's go and change this to my enemy. That's the correct one because it's matching this enemy here. It's my pioneer. And at the moment, it's choosing the X. We don't want to choose the X. We want it to be the Y, which is up or down. Now, to make it move anywhere around this line here, we have to give it some maths. And we need some random numbers here, some random parts. So we want it to be a random number. And here you can see it's got to pick a random number here. It says pick a random between 0 and 10. We're going to change those numbers. And when we come to move it, you can see it's got a red circle on it. It's looking for those oval numbers, those oval areas with the numbers in. Look, if I go move it around, you can see there's like a little line, a piece of elastic that sticks to it. We want to go and stick it in there. Our screen is only 120 high. So we want it to be between, let's go and say, we don't really want it to be off the screen completely. So we can say 5 if you want. And then the other one is maybe 115. So it's not quite off the screen, but it's kind of not off the screen either. What we need to do now, as always, is play test that game and see what happens now. So every 2 seconds, there's now a pioneer ship trying to knock us into the water. Okay, so we need to go and make what's called a collision next. Okay, so we need to go and make sure that we are dodging these games, dodging these pioneers. All right, good luck, everyone.